Okay, here's the puppies with their new toy. They love it. Their little gym. Oh, you saw me. You can't see much of the puppies, but they're having a good time. Let's see, there we've got, is this Jody? Yeah, Jody. She's the rambunctious one. Right there. Right? Is that Jody? That's not Jody? No. There, oh no, there's Jody. There's Jody. And there's, let's see, Fia's little boy right there. And there's the little black girl. Oh, there you are. And who's that? Is that Dozer?
Yeah.
Can't see your face, Dozer. Is this Ruby?
Yeah.
Getting a drink. And there's Penny. There is Miko. And she doesn't have a name. Call her Minnie. Uh-oh. Did I miss anybody? Reggie's in here somewhere. Here's Reggie. Having a tussle with Miko. They like that. There's something in here that's crinkly. Mm-hmm. Who's chewing on it? Is that Jody?
Yeah.
They like that. Oh, and it's Fia's little girl too. There's something crinkly there. Mm-hmm. Here's Chica. Doing pretty good actually. But they like this. Their little gym. They're just busy. Oh, time for snack. It's not very interesting when you can't see their faces. Hey guys, we're over here. Here's Dozer. He almost had a potty break. That's not the play area. Dozer. Somebody's thirsty. Miko. Miko and Penny. Whoops. Oh. She stands up for herself. Judy. All right, that's all.